Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the coldblanket.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a blanket that's being sold. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on their website. But before we get into the details, this is exactly why I made a research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you something if it's legit or not. So the link is down below for you guys to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, we have it pulled up here on their website. So as you can see why people are obsessed with the cold blanket. So let's click on shop now. And as you can see, it costs $40 from $80. So basically, it's an instant cooling relief with freeze core fabric, no sweat, no wake ups, perfect for hot sleepers, breathable, lightweight, and insanely soft. So that's a bold claim right there. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, we have it opened up here on malware tips. So as you can see, the user feedback is mixed to negative. Too good to be true. Yes, it is. Have no technical documentation, patents, and published studies. So is it a scam? No, not a scam. It's not. It's typical drop shipping affiliate marketing. So right here, it has real price versus dropship cost. It is sold for $40 to $80 retail. Identical photos and product specs are found in Alibaba and other wholesale sites for $5 to $6 per unit. So these are one of those. Another one of those products are being dropshipped and just rebranded to another name. So please, guys, don't fall for these kind of products, since they are just being not entirely a scam. However, they do have some false advertising to them. So if you're in the hopes of having these instant cool relief, freeze core technology, or whatever, they're not true, guys. You can just buy this stuff on your local superstore, supermarket, whatever, just for cheaper. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.